Hello, peeps. Right, so after many weeks of not being able to do anything on the Beetle, due to mostly to the weather, of course, as you all know, it's been horrendous, and medical problems. Little medical warning here. I had a little, what I thought was a pimple on my eye, on my cheek there, and it turned out to be a cancerous, what's it called? A squamous cell carcinoma. So just take care, boys and girls in the sun. So obviously now this is not the first one I've had, it's the third one, so I'm going to have to start whacking on the old factor 1 million or whatever. But yeah, so I've started doing a bit of work on the Beetle. A bit more work I should say. This doorpost is not easy. I've spent ages, I spent at least 2 hours messing about trying to get it into a reasonable position there. There's the light gone. Oh, there you are. So yeah, I've got the sill and everything tacked in place, and the lower floor panels tacked in place. Yeah, as you can see there. And I'm just gonna put a few tack welds on that doorpost. On the bottom of that doorpost, and hopefully that'll square the door up, because the door was well out of whack on that. And yeah, so there we go. That's a little update for now. If you've been following me, thanks very much for keeping up. And well, till next time, ta-ra.